Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am Miss Suzma Faruqi from Divisional Public School and Intermediate College, Lahore. While attending this lecture, make sure you have your stationery items with you: pencil, eraser, sharpener, new Countdown 3rd edition book 2, and your notebook. I am happy to present this lecture. I hope you will be glad to listen this video lecture. Subject Mathematics, Class 2. I hope you remain attentive throughout during this lecture. Today we are going to start our fourth lecture. Our topic is fraction. What is fraction? You know about fraction? No? If I say you have already know about fraction before coming to school. When you have a chocolate and you share with your sibling, if there is just one other child, the each gets half. If there are three other children with you, each gets half of a half. It's quarter. Now I again ask you, you know about fraction? At this time, you little know about fraction. For more learning, open your books, page number 91, Unit 6, Fraction. The topic of this page, equal parts, cutting in half. Take a rectangular sheet of paper. Number 2, fold it carefully. Down the middle, both ends of the paper should touch. Number 3, open it out. There is a line down the middle which divides the paper into two equal parts. Number 4, check with your ruler to make sure each part is of the same width. One thing keep in your mind. A half means 1 out of 2 equal parts or 1 by 2. Remember this always and keep in your mind always. A half means 1 out of 2 equal parts or 1 by 2. Look at the screen. A whole equals a half, a half. It means 2 pieces of lemon make a whole lemon. Again look, 2 halves equals a whole cut in half. Again remember this, 2 halves are 2 equal parts of a whole. 2 halves are 2 equal parts of a whole. Equal parts. Remember this, equal parts. Now look at the screen. First picture of bread slice. Watch it carefully. These parts are equal? Yes, these parts are equal. One part is 1 by 2, it's mean half. Second picture, cookie. One piece is big and one piece is small. They are not equal. So, they are not equal pieces. So, they are not half. Third picture, watermelon. Both of these slices are equal? Yes. One piece is half, one piece is half. The last picture, pencil. Both pieces are not equal. One is big and one is small. So they are not half. Look at the screen carefully. We have 6 shapes on the screen. First shape of circle. It is divided into 2 parts. 1 half and 1 half. You see carefully. Both of these pieces are equal. Yes, they are equal. So we say 1 half and 1 half make a whole circle. Second shape. You easily recognize both of these pieces are not equal. The third shape, triangle. Both of these pieces are equal. Now the fourth shape, square shape. Both of these pieces are not equal. Now we come on the fifth shape. We easily recognize the two parts are equal. And in the last circle shape, you easily define it. One piece is small and one piece is big. So we say they are not equal. Now we tick and color the correct shape. Now we learn equal parts quarters. Page number 95. Do you remember how you folded the paper to show halves? Turn back to on half page screen. Fold a sheet of paper the same way. Then fold it again lengthwise. Make sure the ends of the paper touch when you fold. Now open your sheet. It will look like this. Now, instead of two equal parts, there are now four equal parts. Your ruler to make sure they are equal. When we divided something into four equal parts, we cut it into quarters. Remember this, a quarter means one part out of four equal parts or 1 by 4. Always remember this, a quarter means one part out of four equal parts or 1 by 4. Look at the watermelon, one whole. When we divide it into four parts, four equal parts, each part is 1 by 4. Now, second picture, wooden log. Look at the log, one whole. When we divide this in four equal parts, each wooden log piece 1 by 4. These are equal parts, they make a one whole log. Equal parts, quarters and halves from your books on page number 97. Now at this time you see 6 shapes on your computer, your laptop, your mobile screen. First shape, rectangular shape. One part is color and one is not color. What is? This is half or quarter? Yes, it is half. Second shape, circle. Count the total parts of the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many parts are color? 1. It is 1 by 4 quarter. Third shape, one part color, one is not color. So we say the color part is half, 1 by 2. Fourth, triangle shape. Count the total parts of the triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. And write down. Now, count the color part. Color part is only 1. So we say this is 1 by 4 quarter. Fifth shape, triangle. We easily recognize this is half. And in the last, again count and write the total number of the boxes in the bottom and color box. How many boxes are color? 1. So this is quarter. For more practice of fraction, that is on your book page number 100. You also watch this page on your screen. You see here first picture of triangle. In this picture, the shape of triangle have 3 parts. You write down the number of 3 in the bottom of the line and the color part right on the upper. So this is 1 by 3. Second shape of circle. Count the total numbers of division of the circle parts. These are 6. So we write down the bottom of the line and the upper side we write down the color parts. 1, 2, 3. The third shape. Oh, there are so many parts, right? And first of all count and then write it carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In these shapes, 7 parts. First of all, we write down the 7 and then write the color parts. They are 4. On the fourth shape, circle shape. Now count the total parts of the circle shape carefully. These are 9. So we write down on the bottom of the line 9. And the color parts are 5. So we write down on the upper of the line. The fourth picture. Oh, here are so many boxes. Count and write it very carefully. They are 12. Yes, they are 12. We write down first of all 12 and again we write the color parts of the boxes. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They are 8 by 12. The last shape, again count the total parts of the shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, yes, total parts are 8. We write bottom of the line 8. Now we count the color parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and write on the upper of the line. These are 5 by 8. Now it's a time of home assignment for your practice. Page number 97, question number 1 and page number 100 on your notebooks. Thank you, my dear students. I hope all of you enjoy this video and also learn it. Stay home and stay safe. Allah Hafiz.